creaked. He looked at me for a time without replying, as if expecting me to withdraw or quality the statement. Then said, I shouldn't. मैम ये क्या लिखा है आगे?
It's with a kind of German. So he said that it shouldn't have creaked. It shouldn't have creaked.
It shouldn't have creaked. It didn't. It did. I am afraid. You got them wet before they found themselves. I don't think so. At at that, he lowered his eyes as if hunting for memory of those boots, and I felt sorry. I had mentioned this grave thing. Send them back, he said. I will look at them. Zoom boots, he continued slowly, are bad for bird.
Birth, yes. So on the left side, you can see the actual English is written. You can just read from there if you have problem. Some boots are bad from birth. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. If I can do nothing with them, I take them off your bill.
Yes. So beta, now next is the narrator is saying that I cannot forget one day when on one occasion, what did I say to him? Now he's just remembering one day. Okay. Mr. Jessler, that last pair of boots creaked, creaked kya hota hai beta? A sound that comes from some of the boots or shoes, है ना? That is a creaking sound. So he made one complaint to Mr. Jessler that one pair that was made by you is having creaking sound in it. Okay. He looked at me for a time without replying, as if expecting me to withdraw or qualify the statement. So he was just looking at him, okay, and he's staring him, and he was expecting that कि उसके बनाए हुए boots तो कभी खराब हो ही नहीं सकते. So he was expecting from the narrator that he would withdraw his statement. वो अपनी statement वापस ले लेगा, okay? Then the statement then said it shouldn't have creaked. So he said that okay, that's the problem, but ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए था, okay? It shouldn't have creaked. It did, I am afraid. So narrator replied that yes, they are creaking. I am afraid. I am so sorry to say that your boots are creaking. You got them. Wet before they found themselves. So he said that आपने पक्का इसको भिगो दिया होगा. Wet का meaning क्या होता है? When water just comes in something. So he said that you might have just made your shoes wet. That's why the creaking sound is coming from your shoes. So next is at that he lowered his eyes as if hunting for memory of those boots. Now he was just lowering his eyes and he was just thinking that when he made these type of boots, and the complaint that was not possible because he used to make shoes with perfection. So he doesn't like this thing that one complaint came to him. Okay. So the next one is I felt sorry. I had mentioned this grave thing. Grave means serious. So the author, the narrator is feeling sorry. He said that I know this is a very harsh thing that I told you because when someone likes perfection, he does not like that if complaint comes. So he was not liking it, okay, and he was just very much sad because he was giving day and night to the boot making and one complaint came. And I think so in 5 or 6 years, that was the only mistake, only complaint. वो भी किसकी गलती थी? नरेटर की, because उसने उसको भिगा दिया था shoes को. So it was not the mistake of Mr. Jessler. Send them back. He said, I will look at them. So he said that please bring those shoes to me and I will look at them. Some boots, he continued slowly, are bad from birth. So he said that some boots are like that. From the beginning, they are just very bad. So maybe there is some problem. He said that if I can do nothing with them, अगर वो कहते हैं इसको ठीक ना कर पाया तो मैं क्या करूँगा? I will give your money back. So he's such a perfectionist that he's offering the narrator that I will give you money back, okay, if I could not repair the shoes. So next one is Veronica. Veronica, please complete this page with her quickly.
Once only I went absentmindedly into his shop in a pair of boots bought in an emergency at some large firm. He took my order without showing me any leather, and I could feel his eyes. मैम ये वर्ड क्या लिखा है?
Penetrating बेटा, penetrating.
Penetrating the inferior covering of my boots. At last he said, "Those are not my boots." The tone was not one of anger, nor of sorrow, not even of contempt, but there was in it something quiet that froze the blood. He put his hand down and pressed a finger on the place where the left boot was not quite comfortable. I did. Would you dare? He said, "Those big ones have no self-respect." And then, as if something had given way, given way within him, he spoke long and bitterly. It was the only time I ever heard him discuss the conditions and hardships of his trade.
So actually, beta, these type of shoemaker, they are very hard life. What the big firms, what the big businesses do, they just buy the shoes from these type of shoemakers at very cheap price, and then they give the brand name, and then they sell these type of shoes to us. Okay? So many big brands are there. I think Nike is there, na? So Adidas is there. So what do? They just buy shoes from these shoemakers at cheap price, and then not now actually, अब तो सारा factories में काम होता है. Initially पहले ऐसा होता था that shoemaker used to work very hard, but they did not get much money, ठीक है, in return. So now let me explain you. Once I went absent-mindedly in his shop in a pair of boots bought in an emergency at a large firm. So sometime it happens when there is some marriage or one type of occasion at our home, and the narrator might have gone to the shoemaker, और shoemaker जो है वो 15 दिन तो लेता ही है कम से कम shoes बनाने में, है ना? So he could not make his shoes. So emergency में the narrator bought a pair of shoes from a large firm. Large firm is a large business, large trade. Okay, big brand का उसने कोई emergency में shoes खरीद लिया. Okay, he took my order without showing me any leather, and I could feel his eyes penetrating in the inferior covering of my boot. Now जो shoemaker है, he was so much perfectionist. You know that जब उसने उसके वो देखे ना showroom वाले shoes, ready-made shoes उसके पैर में, then he did not even show him some leather. उसको लगा कि इसकी जो inferior से shoes डाले हुए उसने. What is the meaning of penetrating? Penetrating means to enter. Inferior means low quality. So he was just continuously looking at the low quality shoes of the narrator. ठीक है? Because आगे तो narrator इसके shoes पहनता है. First time उसने किसके डाले हुए थे? किसी और के shoes डाले थे, and they were looking like of very low quality. और जो ये shoemaker है Mr. Jessler, he is looking continuously at the low quality shoes of the narrator. At last he said, "Those are not my boots." अब उसको देख के पहचान हो गई, and he said that these shoes have not been made by me. They are someone else. Okay. The tone was not of anger, sorrow, or even contempt. उसकी tone बहुत normal थी. He was not angry at all. He was not sad also. Not even contempt. Contempt means disrespectful. He was not at all disrespectful. He was just discussing something. But there was in it something quite that froze the blood. So उसकी tone कुछ ऐसी थी जो narrator को बड़ा freezing effect दे रही थी, ठीक है? He put his hand down and pressed a finger on the place where the left boot was not quite comfortable. अब देखो वो कितना perfectionist है, उसको बिना देखे पता चल गया है that on the left boot there is one place where the narrator is feeling uncomfortable. उसने exact वही जगह पे हाथ लगाया, okay, where he was feeling uncomfortable. It hurts you there. He said that ये आपको पक्का यहाँ पे दर्द कर रहा होगा ये वाला shoe, okay. those big firms क्या होते हैं बेटा? big brands. So he said that they have no self respect, they are just making shoes. ऐसे मशीन से शूज बनाई जा रहे हैं और लोगों को बेच रहे हैं. They don't have self respect. And then as if something had given way within him, he spoke long and bitterly. अब वो थोड़ा सा bitterly बोल रहा है. What is the meaning of bitterly? Harshly. क्योंकि अब वो firms की बात कर रहा है. He is so much disappointed with the firms that now he is speaking harshly. It was the only time I ever heard him discuss the conditions and hardships of his trade. अब वो थोड़ी सी अपनी hardships बता रहा है that मुझे कितनी मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ता है. I'm such a perfectionist. I make shoes so nicely, but I don't get price. ठीक है, उसको पैसे नहीं मिलते उस चीज के. So यहाँ से थोड़ा सा I think boring था chapter. Now let's move forward. शायद थोड़ा आपको और interesting लगे. So Devang will read. Devang, please read first 2 paragraphs. And where is Jasmine? Jasmine, please raise hand. Yes, Devang.
Ma'am, from where I have to read? They get it all.
Yes. Yes.
They get it all. He said they get it by advertisement, not by work. They take it away from us who love our boots. I did gowns to this recently. I have no work. Every year I did get less, you will see. And looking at his lined face, I saw things I had never noticed before. Bitter things and bitter struggle. And what a lot of gray hairs there seemed suddenly in his red beard.
Okay, Devang, just wait for a minute. I will just explain this paragraph. नहीं तो थोड़ा ये boring हो जाता है, ठीक है? 2 paragraphs. So 1 paragraph only. मैं English पढ़ रही हूँ बेटा from the right side. They get it all. They get it by advertisement. So he is saying that जो big firms है, they get customer by their advertisement. वो इतनी ads देते हैं TV पे and radio पे that they get so many customers. Okay. Then they just wait 1 minute. Not by work. They take it away from us. From us means shoemakers. So these big firms, they take shoes from the shoemakers and then they sell the shoes at very high price. Okay? So every year it gets less, you will see. So he's saying that कि हर साल क्या होगा, इसकी quality और गिरती जाएगी. This is my promise to you. These big firms, they don't have any self-respect. They just want to make money, nothing else. And looking at his lined face, what is the meaning of lined face? He was having so many wrinkles on his face. I saw things that I had never noticed. आज narrator को chance मिला है कि उसका face अच्छे से देख पाए, ठीक है? So many wrinkles were there, and now he was talking about his bitter struggle. Bitter means harsh, very hard struggle. उसकी अब वो बातें कर रहा है. And what a lot of gray hair. अब पहले मैंने आपको फर्स्ट पेज में बताया था that he was having red beard. Now today narrator noticed that there are some gray hair also in the red beard. Gray hair means जो सफेद बाल होते हैं, white hair. Okay, in English we call it gray hair. Okay, today he could just see gray hair in the beard. Yes, Devang, second paragraph.
As best I could, I explained the circumstances of those ill-omened boots, but his face and voice made so deep an impression that during the next few minutes, I ordered many pairs. They lasted longer than ever, and I was not able to go to him for nearly 2 years.
Okay. So as best I could, I explained the circumstances of those ill-omened boots. Ill-omened होते हैं बेटा unlucky boots, ठीक है? So he explained the shoemaker Mr. Jessler. उसने बहुत सारी बताया कि मैंने क्यों ये boots खरीदे, ठीक है? ये unlucky boots क्यों खरीदे? He gave him the reason, ठीक है? So but his face and voice made so deep an impression that during the next few minutes I ordered many pairs. बेटा हमारे साथ भी ऐसा होता है, when we feel pity ना, हमें किसी पे तरस आता है, तो what do? हमने करना तो 1-2 pairs order होते हैं, then we sometime order so many pairs, ठीक है? Especially when you are sitting in a car and 1 or 2 children come to you and they ask you to buy pens, है ना? उनके पास pen होते हैं and they request you to buy pen. No doubt we people are having so many pens are at home, हमारी kids भरी पड़ी होती है, but we feel so pity, हमें इतना तरस आता है that what do? We just buy so many pens है ना, that give me 10 pens, give me 20 pens, ताकि उसको थोड़े पैसे बच जाए, है ना. So similarly the narrator, he was feeling so pity, उसको उस पे इतना तरस आया that he ordered many pairs. He did not want it, but he, इसको मैं इतना explain इसलिए कर रही हूँ because the answer is there is one question also, that did the narrator want a pair of shoes or he ordered in excess. So you will say that no, the narrator did not order many pairs, did not require many pairs, but he ordered because he was feeling pity, okay, and he was feeling sorry for the shoemaker. They lasted longer than ever. अब उसने इतने सारे पेयर ले तो लिए, अब 2 years तक, मैंने आपको बताया था वो इतने ड्यूरेबल होते हैं कि 2 years तक ना तो उसके टूटे हैं और बिल्कुल साफ पड़े हैं, that he could not go again. ठीक है. Jasmeet, are you there? Jasmeet, I think you are unmuted. Yes. So बेटा read till here dead. इतना पढ़ दो.
It was months before my next visit to his shop. This time is appeared to be his elder brother holding a piece of leather. Well, Mr. Jessler, I said, how are you? He came close and peered at me. I am pretty well, he said slowly, but my elder brother is dead.
Okay. So it was many months, अब 2 years के बाद narrator got chance to visit the shop. This time it appeared. Now remember this word appeared. Not actually उसको दूर से लगा, ठीक है. यहाँ पे बहुत बच्चों को confusion होगी. It appeared to be his elder brother. उसको लगा कि उसका elder brother है, but no, actually it was Mr. Jessler. पर narrator को 2 years बाद ऐसी feeling आई that he was not Mr. Jessler, he was his elder brother. Well, Mr. Jessler, I said, how are you? He came close and peered at me. Peered means to look closely. So he was looking closely at me. I am pretty well. So he said that, okay, I'm absolutely fine. He said slowly, but my elder brother is dead. Remember I told you that Mr. Jessler was having one brother also. So actually who is dead now? The elder brother of Mr. Jessler. But starting में narrator को क्या लगा that कि Mr. Jessler की death हो गई है, but जब उसने उसको ध्यान से देखा, it was Mr. Jessler himself, okay? And I saw that it was indeed himself. वो Mr. Jessler ही थे, okay? Jasmine, please continue. Jasmine.
And I saw that it was indeed himself, but how aged and
Aged
and never. Okay, ma'am. And never before had I heard him mention his brother. Much shocked, I murmured, oh, I am sorry. Yes, he answered. He was a good man. He made a good boot, but he is dead. And he touched the top of his head where the hair had suddenly gone as thin as it had been on that of his poor brother. Two incidents, I suppose, the cause of his death. Do you want any boot? And he held up the leather in his hand. It is a beautiful piece.
It is a beautiful piece. Okay. So, and I saw that it was indeed himself. So when he just looked closely, so narrator को पता चला this is Mr. Jessler, not his brother. Okay. So he was just such a aged and wan. What is the meaning of wan? Please note down. Wan means pale and sick. Okay. He was looking pale and sick. So after 2 years, much change, was there. Mr. Jessler, he was a normal man 2 years ago, but now after 2 years, when the narrator saw him, he was now an aged man and a pale and sick man. ठीक है, थोड़ा pale सा हो गया, sick से हो गया. So next is, and never before, so he had never heard anything about his brother, but now he's saying that he was a good man. Okay. तो उसने अब थोड़े से अपने ब्रदर की बात की, फर्स्ट टाइम इन हिज लाइफ. आगे वो कभी कस्टमर से अपने ब्रदर की बात नहीं करता था. नाउ दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट ही told him that he is dead. So he touched the top of his head. उसने अपने हेड को हाथ लगाया to indicate the cause of the death. वो शायद उसको बताना चाहता था कि what was the cause of the death. तो थिन हेयर बेटा कब होते हैं? थिन हेयर बहुत ज्यादा है ना, पतले से हेयर when you lack nourishment, जब आप में के अंदर nutrients नहीं जाते, आपको खाना नहीं मिलता खाने के लिए. Okay, so he just tried to show him the cause of the death. तो cause of the death क्या था? Lack of nutrients. ठीक है, उनको अच्छे से खाना नहीं मिल रहा. So he just wanted to show him. Do you want any boots? Then he changed the topic and he asked the narrator कि आपको कोई boots चाहिए? And he held up the leather in his hand. It's a beautiful piece. Now he's showing him one type of leather and he's saying that it's beautiful. Okay. Okay. Next is Shubh. Shubh, next 2 paragraphs, little paragraphs. Shubh, are you there? Yes, you are here. No, Akshara.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, 2 paragraphs, please.
I ordered several pairs. It was very long before they came, but they were better than ever. One simply could not wear them out, and soon after that I went abroad. Ma'am, next
One
me
more,
pad do.
one more.
It was over a year before I was again in London, and the first shop I went to was my old friend's. I had left a man of 60. I came back to one of 75, pinched and worn, who genuinely this time did not at first know me.
Yes. So beta, this time also he ordered so many pairs. It was a very long before they came, but they were better than ever. So it took so much time to for him. उसको बहुत टाइम लगा उसको प्रिपेयर करने में, but they were better than ever. So one could not wear them out. ये easily damage होने वाले नहीं थे. ठीक है, wear out क्या होता है? Damage. So easily they could not be damaged. And soon after, then I went abroad. Now the narrator has gone to abroad. It was over a year. अब 1 साल हो गया, अब उनको नहीं मिला. ठीक है, Mr. Jessler को. Now he came back. Now he's like a friend. ठीक है, उसका old friend बन चुका है Mr. Jessler, the narrator's friend. Okay. I had left a man of 60. अब देखो ये dialogue अच्छे से सुनना. 1 year ago, he's saying that I left a man of 60, and after 1 year, he was looking like a man of 75. So in 1 year, उसकी condition इतनी खराब हो गई है that initially he was looking a man of 60, but after 1 year, he is looking like a man of 75. Okay. Pinched and worn. Pinched होता है thin and worn होता है shabby. बहुत shabby सा हो गया है और बहुत ज़्यादा thin सा हो गया है. ठीक है. Who genuinely means truly. He truly doesn't know. उसको उसने recognize ही नहीं किया, उसने पहचाना ही नहीं उस narrator को. Even after 1 year, the condition is so bad कि उसका memory loss भी हो रहा है. ठीक है. So how much time we have? Okay. Last 2 paragraphs, then we'll continue more.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Do you want any boots? He said. I can make them quickly. It is a glad dime. I answered, please, I want boots all around every kind.
Continue. One more.
I had given those boots up when one evening they came. One by one, I tried them on. In shape and fit, in finish and quality of leather, they were the best he had ever made. I flew downstairs, wrote a check, and posted it at once with my own hand.
Okay. So, do you want any boots? So he asked him. अब उसने उसको recognize नहीं किया. Okay. He was asking him, do you know any kind? Do you want any kind of boots? I can make them quickly. It's a slack time. So it's a slack time. I was just finding this word. I just wanted to show you a picture, but I don't think so. It's there. Let me see. No. Okay. So slack actually, beta, the English meaning of slack is something hanging. ठीक है? but here the meaning of slack time is, I think he's free, he gets his free time, so he can make them quickly. Now he's saying that I won't take many days, I can make them quickly because it's a free time. Okay, no customer comes. ठीक है, जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं कि बहुत ज्यादा बाजार में कोई कस्टमर नहीं है ना, that is a time. So he's saying that no customer is there, I can make it quickly. I answered, please, please, I want boots all around every kind. Again, this time the narrator ordered so many pairs of boots. I had given those boots up when one evening they came. अब next I think 2-3 days बाद उसके सारे boots वापस आ गए. Okay, one by one I tried them in shape and fit, in finish. Finish होती है shine, final जो polish होती है. So it was, they were the best. So the leather quality, polish quality, fit, shape, everything was the best. So I flew downstairs, wrote a check. उसने एक check लिख दिया, and then he gave money to Mr. Jessler. Okay. Now only 1.5 pages left. I think we can continue tomorrow. It's so tiring because you people are.
मैम एक बार slack time का meaning बता दो. Slack time.
The slack time in this chapter, the meaning is the time where there is no customer. ठीक है? थोड़ा उसका मंदा चल रहा था, उसको पैसे नहीं मिल रहे थे और कस्टमर. Okay, now I am going to unmute you together. You can ask me one by one whatever you want.
मैम like जो आपने
who's asking?
मैम एक बारी जो 76 पेज पर जो वर्ड मीनिंग्स है ना, उनका एक बारी दिखा दो. मेरी बुक में मिसप्रिंट है तो मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले लूंगा.
76 पेज. ये वाले बेटा?
यस मैम. मैम इन दोनों के अलावा और कोई तो नहीं है?
नहीं बेटा, 2 ही है.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
यस बेटा, यू कैन आस्क.
थैंक यू मैम. यस मैम, जो आपने इनसाइड जो हम सभी से क्वेश्चंस पूछते हो मैम, वो आप लाइक आज आपने पूछे नहीं तो आप वो कल डिस्कस कर दोगे?
यस
वो
यस
सारे क्वेश्चंस.
बेटा मैंने कल कितने पूछे थे आपको याद है? फ्रॉम 3 पेजेस आई थिंक.
यस मैम, आपने 3 पेजेस से पूछे थे.
Okay, tomorrow I'll start with this thing. Tomorrow I'll ask you questions, then we'll move forward. Okay.
ओके मैम.
मैम एक बारी फर्म्स की डेफिनेशन बता दो.
बेटा फर्म इज अ टाइप ऑफ बिग बिजनेस कह सकते हो. ठीक है, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ बिग फैक्ट्री, बिजनेस, ट्रेड. बिजनेस और ट्रेड होता है इसका एक्चुअल मीनिंग. ठीक है.
ओके.
Anyone else, please, you can ask, unmute yourself and you can ask me. Is there anyone? Akshara, any doubt? You're raising your hand. Shubh, Jasmeet. This is for reading.
मैम.
No मैम, वो पहले से हैंड रेज रह गया था.
Harmeet, yes बेटा.
मैम. मैम जो 75 के बाद मैम पिंच्ड एंड वॉर्न का मतलब क्या है मैम? उसके बाद जेन्युइनली मैम. जेन्युइनली 75
पेज बेटा.
मैम जेन्युइनली जो 75 लिखा है ना जहाँ पर I came back to one of the मैम पेज नंबर 76.
अच्छा 76. पिंच्ड एंड वॉर्न का मीनिंग पूछा. पिंच्ड एंड वॉर्न का
मैम नो genuinely.
Okay, genuinely means truly. TRULY.
Okay.
सच में. ठीक है, सच में. Anyone else? Only 1 minute is left. Anyone? And please start sending your story narrations. I got some videos and they were awesome. Very nice videos I got. So please make some videos. ठीक है, अब बाकी भी ऐसे बनाना. I really like the video of the video of Adgun. और भी हैं. I'll tell you the names tomorrow. मुझे 1-2 याद है बस.
मैम बुक से भी भेज सकते हैं. मैम बुक से भी भेज सकते हैं कोई स्टोरी लर्न कर.
बुक से बेटा आई थिंक इट वुड बी बोरिंग. थोड़ा बोरिंग हो जाएगा. लेट मी जस्ट लिसन टू अ न्यू स्टोरी. थोड़ा सा कुछ न्यू सुना दो मेरे को. बुक मैंने ऑलरेडी सारी पढ़ ली है. बहुत सालों से मैं बुक पढ़ रही हूँ. प्लीज टेल मी समथिंग.